Well, Tony, there was a performance which sort of showed all parts of our game, really. And in the end, it's a brilliant result for us.
Yeah, I think Penybont, after TNS, I think Penybont are the next best team in the league. I really do. I think they've got a great squad. They play good football, and they can hurt you in several areas of the pitch. But I thought for the first probably 60-70 minutes, we were very good tonight. Even second half, obviously the game opened up because they need to get back into it. But I thought we were going to score a third goal and that would have put the game to bed then, but we didn't. And Penybont put us under loads of pressure, which the boys, to their credit, withstood it, and we managed to come away with the 3 points.
Yeah, Penybont started the game pretty well. They had a couple of chances here and there, but it was then really important that we got that goal then, because you could see it really spurred us on with Elliot getting his first goal for the club. Yeah,
first goal was really, really pleasing for us because it's something that we do a lot of in training with our wing backs. We've got Reece and Jordan tonight, or Jack and Johan and Ryan George, who are all good in those areas of the pitch, and they cross the ball very well. So it's all about how many times this year that sort of ball's come in the box and we haven't finished it off, or we haven't been there to finish it. So it's something that we do a lot of, and it was great. Good chuff for Elliot. He works hard. He's had a few assists this year since he's come in, but to get first goal is always nice, and hopefully he's up and running now and he can get some more for us. Yeah, and then we doubled our advantage not too long after then. Jamie Veal's free kick, which was right in the top corner, and fantastic technique and all that. It was brilliant from him. Yeah, set pieces this year has been good. Ambu and Veely, Henry's delivery. Henry scored one earlier in the season. Scott has scored one, but Jamie's got great technical ability, and he's shown that tonight. I thought it should have been Ambu taking the free kick, and that's what I said in the dugout. And then Veely stepped up and done what he's done. So it was a massive goal for us in the context of the game to go 2-0 up. It just gave us a little bit of confidence, and after that I thought we were good for the rest of that half and for the early period of the second half. Yeah, and then obviously as we'd expect, then Penybont came strong in the second half, threw a lot at us, but I guess the impressive thing is our defence, really, and just keep grinding out and keep. Obviously, they've scored at the end, but overall we've kept them at bay. Really, a strong side. Yeah, when you look, obviously Pats comes off first half, Dylan comes off as well, so two most experienced defenders have come off the pitch. And it was always going to be tough for us then, but for Jenks was excellent. Yori and Watsy went in at centre half. Watsy's been ill all week, so for him to come in and give us that tonight just shows the character of him and the rest of the squad. And when you've got character like that and you back each other and look after each other, work hard for each other, then more often than not teams succeed, and that's something that we're getting better at every week. We spoke about after the TNS game, we said this period coming up now could be an important one, and that's 3 wins on the spin now, so it's at the moment it's going in the right direction heading to the Christmas period. When we kicked off against Flint, we were in the bottom 2. The boys knew that before the kick-off, because Newtown had won some of that day. So we kicked off that day in the bottom 2 of the league. It's a place where none of us want to be, but we were there and that was our own doing. So the boys have shown great courage to win 3 games on the bounce. First time we've done it this season, and it's put us in a much better position. We're looking up now rather than looking down, and we want to keep going that way. Newtown away is a very tough game. They beat us here early in the season 3-2 at a game that we were doing quite well in, but we know how tough it's going to be going to Newtown, because they've now gone into the run of form that we expect Newtown to have. So we're looking forward to Newtown week Sunday. Yeah, possibly nice to have the extra few days off recovery for that. I think it's next Sunday, so it's that a couple of injuries here and there tonight. Physical game is probably going to help us a bit, and it should be a good game, really. 2 informed teams next Sunday. Yeah, we picked up a few knocks tonight. Boys have trained extremely hard the last few weeks with the games we've had, no games, and they need the rest now. But we'll still train twice next week, and some of the boys may train 3 times. But we have to be prepared for a tough game next week against a very experienced Newtown team.